This tutorial review will show you how to use CapCut boat template on TikTok. So first of all, you have to install the CapCut app and the TikTok app on your device. Then open your TikTok app. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and search here boat meme. Select hashtag. Select boat meme. Now you can select any boat meme from here. I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to tapping on try this template. Use template in CapCut. Tap on open. Tap on use template. Now select your own video or photo. Tap on preview. And here we can see the final result. It's time to export the video. So tap on export. And now you can save the video to your device, or you can share this video on your TikTok directly. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.